Good afternoon, students. I am your new class teacher. My name is Sonal. Today we are going to learn a small and beautiful poem from our English Bal Bharati textbook. This is the unit 1 and our poem name is Bridge. So everyone listen carefully. This is a poem about the rainbow by Christina Rossetti. This is a very beautiful poem. This poem is on nature, and through this poem, the poetess is asking us to love the nature, to preserve it, because the nature is very important in our life. In our busy life, we hardly take time to observe the nature. But after you have learned this poem, you will surely fall in love with the nature. So let's we start. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Students, in this poem, the poetess compared the rainbow to a bridge. She says that the boats and the ships sail on the rivers and seas, but the clouds that move across the sky are prettier than boats and ships. In this first stanza, a poetess has mentioned a few things like boats, ships, rivers, seas, clouds, and sky. She says, do you know about all these beautiful things? They are very beautiful to see. Boats and ships also very beautiful because they are traveled on the rivers and seas. But the poetess says the clouds are more prettier than boats and ships because they are sailing across the sky. I hope you understand these 4 lines, students. So now time to start our second stanza. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Look at the rainbow here. It is very beautiful. The rainbow is a natural bridge. A bridge is made the help of the tree tops. The poetess tells us the rainbow that rises above the trees and forms a beautiful bridge to heaven. And it's building a road from the earth to the sky. It is more prettier than these rivers bridges. So I hope you understand the poem. So time to sing it with me, okay? Now start. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are ridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these, are prettier far than these. Boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these.